Yeah, man, we outside, we here to play, man. Fresh from a successful international tour, bring you Costa Titch, man, with the block party and also the big flexa Yacht party. We here, man. I'm with my summer shirts, I'm with my shades on, and you know, man, we here to celebrate the big man, man. Let's go inside.
As well as this is the exclusive listening session for my upcoming EP titled Mr. Big Flexa. And basically the reason I say it's exclusive is usually a listening session happens about a day before the drop of the project, and we are dropping the project on the 11th of November.
Much time and money reinvested. Mind you, I passed you and I'm independent. 3 years in and I'm shopping for a pendant. Not that fake shit that you're wearing 10 years in. Too much flights, the jet lag kicked in. Too much racks, the forex clocked in. I've been in and out, it's a myth if you catch me. I've been selling out every venue out the country. Out like a light, yeah, out like a light, knock 'em out like a, yeah, knock 'em out like a, yeah. Titch can't feel on my contour. Coulda go, shine my stars in. Figure my force in. Coulda go, Sunday. Be left to sing. Coulda go, shine my stars in.
So what are we doing here today?
Today, I'm here for Costa, my boy, man. Costa, my guy. What a legend.
Yeah,
Album's about to drop. I need to hear it first.
Yeah.
Because you know me, I'm the type of person who like to hear things first. Man.
Yeah.
I like to be number one, you know what I'm
So
saying?
yeah, so
yeah.
it's be an exclusive.
Yeah, exclusive thing, you know what I mean?
Exclusive now.
Yacht.
Yeah.
You know, back in the day, it wasn't like this, bro.
Yeah, it wasn't like
back
that,
in the day,
bro.
it was tough, boy. Now look at us, bro. Yacht party.
Yeah.
Where we are today, we're here to appreciate the landscape of SA music, just really getting elevated to a new and different level. Today we're here to interact with everyone that is all creative and all, boundary breaking and boundary changing, and I've loved the fact that the experience has been everything that I hoped and expected that it would be.
Yeah, man. So how are you feeling about the album?
I think
Yeah, no, it's good.
I think it's amazing. I think it's vibes. I think it's really like, I was very like vibing out.
Yeah.
I was very impressed by that. Yeah.
Got-
I'm really excited for him as well. I think it's definitely gonna change the world like he has been doing,
Let's check the price. Been a long time, so I gotta hit it twice. Yeah. Checks over stripes. Been a long time since I felt this nice. Been a long time since I checked the price. Been a long time, so I gotta hit it twice. Yeah. This that hot shit. Hot girl, some of that hot shit. Girl, you gotta get that quick. Show 'em that you full of that nonsense. Yeah. Hot shit. Hot girl, some of that hot shit. Girl, you gotta get that.
Yeah, man, just like I told you, we outside, we here to play, and sitting next to me, a man that doesn't need any introduction, man. Come on, man, who doesn't know this, man?
Yes, sir.
Who doesn't know this, man? How you doing, my brother?
I'm good, bro.
I'm all good. So now, you just came back from a tour.
Yes, sir.
How was it?
The tour is amazing, bro. To be honest, it's been like a non-stop tour. We've been in and out of the country since February this year. But honestly speaking, it's just been like an amazing experience. Just so grateful to like meet so many new people, experience different like cultures and different countries, and see so many things that I never thought I would see. So really just happy. Yeah.
So right, for people who are not here, they're not gonna hear the album. Exclusive water, right?
Yeah.
So how did it come about? Just give us a little background on how it happened.
I mean, basically, the title says itself. It's Mr. Big Flexa, and that's just basically tapping into my Amapiano sound and obviously my debut single, Big Flexa, which has obviously introduced me to the world and created a really large fan base abroad. So basically, Mr. Big Flexa is obviously it's a play with the Amapiano sound, but at the same time, I'm still coming with the with the trap and hip hop, the rap flows, throughout the project, just giving people that kind of different experience and different kind of energy, so that you have to stick out.
Yeah.